Tapos i-ano ko sa YouTube. Kanina pa po. Oo po, ganyan po yung totoong ano, hindi lang po nila pinakita kanina. Or di po maboboard yung ilang tao. Hello guys, sorry for bothering you earlier for the lagging like that. Okay, sorry. You always know it's Archer. I mean Archu. So let's just play. I'm not gonna talk for maybe, I don't know. Let's just video for 15 minutes, okay? Or 30 minutes. I mean 30 minutes. Yeah, 13 minutes. Okay, let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, just wait. I'm gonna do it again. Hello guys, welcome to my video. You know it's always Archu, the bad boy. So now we're gonna play Grow a Garden. This is my favorite when I was a child. Wait, I'm lagging. Okay, let's now go to my garden. That's my garden. It's just little than you think. But I have Roblox when I was a kid too, but my mom deleted it. I have one coconut tree, and I have the rarest. I have the rarest whatever. I don't know if this rare or not, but I have the silver dragonfly and the gold dragonfly. I don't know if that's the rarest one in the world. Can I now move? Because I'm tired just saying things. Okay, let's now begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna go back. Whoever like this video and subscribe to my channel can get this. And just say your name because I don't know your name in Roblox. It's age 26 Golden Lab or Golden Lab age 26 too. No. I'm gonna put it back. And this common bee egg, I don't know how to give it, but it's okay. Bye. Sorry for bothering you to these carrots. Is it okay? Because I like carrots too. Wait, I can move. There you go. I'm gonna go to the seed shop. Oh my god, it's raining tacos. I mean, it's lightning tacos. That's the coconut seed. I don't know how to get the cactus seed, but that's okay. You thought I don't know how to. You thought I don't know how to wait. I, I don't know how to read. I just asked if can I just speak in Tagalog, please. I just asked if that's if is what's that's price. Sorry, I'm bad of English because I'm a Filipino here. Look at my flag. Just wait. You see that flag? That's Philippines. So, can I speak in Philippines, please? Just please. Okay, if you don't want, okay. Bye. Look at my profile account and this wait and this picture, just picture this, okay? And look at my account, it's just like me. I know how to draw myself in Roblox, but maybe it's bad. Just rate my drawing, okay? Wait, we're now in 7 minutes. Can we just no, okay. Bye bye. I mean bye bye that I'm not gonna say anything. So okay. The other day I play Dandy's World. I mean the other day. Oh my god, Fire Reach. Oh, I need that, I need that, I need that, I need that, I need that. No, who took it? The Empire went out. What the? Okay, let's go back here. I don't have Robux. I don't know how to steal this thing if I don't have Robux. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Why is my shirt like this? This is not my shirt, bro. My shirt is like a jacket. Like a jacket and a blue shirt. A black jacket and a blue shirt. That's my I don't know how to speak in Tagalog, so I mean Tagalog in English, so can I just be in Tagalog? Sir, but I need to burn this. Ah, $3. 200 embers. I thought there's two. Ah. But I'm gonna like this. In tier 1? Yay! Bro, I'm so lucky. Okay, it's almost 13 minutes, so I'm gonna go out later because I live in Philippines, okay? I'm gonna go in Mindoro. If you're a Philippine guy, just like this video. Just like, okay? Just like. No subscribes. No subscribe. I mean, I like subscribes, and I'm a little content creator, so Just don't. I don't know how to talk in English. Okay. Oh no, it's 11 minutes. I'm sorry for talking. I just waste your time on watching this. So sorry, don't watch this ever again. Or if you want to download it, just download it. Because I can't download my own video. Wait. Wait. Oh my god, that's so scary. Bro, I'm lagging, wait. Oh no, my internet. It's now 12 minutes and you're just wasting your time for to watch me. I'm a little content creator and I just wanted to play. So in the next video, okay, that's almost gonna be done. This is my garden. Wait, this is now cool. Wait, I need to go there pala. I need to go there pala. I need to go there pala. I'm so dumb. Buong ko talaga. Oh, sorry if you don't know what I'm saying. I don't remember. Okay, it's 30 minutes. Bye-bye.